In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a PlayStation 4 or the DualShock controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming is super simple because it actually offers full native support for the DualShock 4. This might be news to some people, but if you go over to the official Xbox support page and you go here, what controllers can I use for cloud gaming on Xbox, they actually list the DualShock 4 wireless controller through a Bluetooth connection as verified. So as long as you are able to connect your DualShock 4 controller over a Bluetooth connection to your PC, you will be good to go to play on Xbox Cloud Gaming. You shouldn't need any additional tools, so just start any game, and if you don't get a prompt telling you that you have to use a controller and you are thrown straight into the loading screen, as it's happening with me now, that means that your controller was properly set up. So I'm just gonna let this play out, but like I said, this is all you have to do. Alternatively, you can download some external tools, namely DS4 Windows like this, that allows you to set up a PlayStation 4 controller and make sure that it gets detected on your PC, but this is optional. It should work by default with most games. So I'm just going to load in to demonstrate this working, and you will be able to select any game available on Xbox Cloud Gaming. Another thing that I want to make very clear is that I am doing this process through the Xbox website, but you will also be able to do this if you open the Xbox launcher instead on your PC. Regardless of which option you pick, the DualShock 4 should get detected. The last disclaimer that I have to make is that, of course, this is only going to work if you are doing this process on a PC or mobile. You cannot use a DualShock 4 if you are using Xbox Cloud Gaming directly on the Xbox console itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.